Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Long time no speak, no see. I feel like I haven't seen anyone in ages. I've been over on Instagram a little bit, posting some reels and stuff, having some fun over there, but mainly just like doing videos of me cleaning and stuff because I'm trying to just sort myself out, trying to get myself back together. So since we last spoke, I actually went and got married. I went on honeymoon and I've been in a bit of a depression ever since, let me tell you. Post-wedding blues, like, is that a thing? I feel like it is because I feel like I'm in that. It goes from like doing everything right before the wedding and then doing that and then it's like, oh, now what? I was going to film a video today of me putting together a little witchy wreath because I have actually been filming behind the scenes like for my pattern shop, which I actually launched I think last year, maybe the year before now, I'm not sure. Anyway, I made a witch for the store and I've been like filming a tutorial for that. Then I made some other little pumpkin boys and they turned out amazing, and I made some mummies and some ghosts, and yeah, that's all for that. So I didn't feel like I had something to share here, but I did actually make an extra witch for the tutorial, and I thought I'm going to put that together as a wreath, and I thought I'd do that on this channel. So if you want to see that, the video will be coming soon, but I felt like I needed to do a little bit of a catch up, a little bit of a like easier video just to get me back in the swing of things and just say hi, hello, I am still here, and yeah, so glad you're here as well. So today I'm doing a bit of a charity shop haul, a very quick and, you know, short and sweet one, just because I have this basket full of stuff over in this window and I want to clear it up and I want to actually use the basket, but I put the things that I bought in it for, you know, purpose of showing it as a charity shop haul, because when I shared the charity shop, welcome charity shop with me video on my reels, people said they wanted to see a haul, so I thought I'd share that here. So yeah, charity shop haul, let's go. First thing is this shirt. This is like a blue kind of gingham shirt, look, can you see that? This is the label inside. Never actually heard of this brand before, but it says Roxton's. Apologies at my slow autofocus on my camera, by the way. My camera is giving up the ghost. My tripod here that you're on is literally duct tape within an inch of its life, and the microphone on my camera is gone as well, so I'm having to use my external one. Luckily I have an external mic, so hopefully you can hear me. But yeah, this is the shirt. This is a 16-inch it says, but it fits kind of like a men's XL, and it's really nice and oversized, goes below my butt, so putting this on my leggings is perfect. However, I did wear it this weekend and someone said, oh, it looks like you got a bed shirt on, so maybe that's the colour, but it's really comfy and really soft. The next thing I picked up, was this photo frame. So I've been collecting photo frames to give as like thank yous to people like after the wedding. So I've sent out thank you cards to people who like came, and we also had a photo booth at the wedding, and then like pictures of people. Basically the photo booth at the wedding went wrong and people couldn't get prints out, so I got them printed out, well, the company actually printed them out and then sent them to my address after. So I've been sending them to people with thank you card, like the photo booth photos that they're in, so that they still get a copy. But then some people didn't obviously use the photo booth, like pictures of my nan. So hopefully I'll blur out this picture because I actually put the picture in this already. But this is a photo frame that I've picked up for my nan. As you can see, this will like match her house perfectly. It's just me and her, that picture we got taken from the photographer, and I've put that into a little frame, and this was $1.99 from the charity shop, and I think that's perfect. So I've been collecting frames from the charity shops for like some people, like people like my nan, or like elderly people who like pictures to be framed, so I framed that one, and yeah, $1.99, absolute bargain for that. What else have I got in here? This is like a mystery for me. I did actually thrift the basket as well. You would have seen that on the charity shop with me reel if you watched that. But I did pick up these, the vacuum seal bags. I was hunting around for these absolutely everywhere. My mum ended up giving me some in the end, and then I lost those ones that she gave me. I did actually find them again, hidden away somewhere, which I swear blind I didn't do, but you know, I could have done. This pack here is 5 of them, but it includes the absolute jumbo ones, the 80 by 100 centimetre, and I think that's bigger than the ones that they do in B&M. This was £5 in the charity shop. Anyway, includes a hand pump apparently, so maybe great for like travelling. I've never tried this brand before, but as it was in the charity shop and the money was going to charity anyway, I bought them. I did see them on Amazon for about £20, I think they were, because I was quite intrigued as to how much they would cost anyway. But yeah, £5, brand new in the bag there. The next few things are clothing items, but these aren't for me to wear. They're actually just pieces I picked up to upcycle the fabric from in order to make my primitive crafts and stuff like that. So yeah, the first thing I picked up was this skirt, Can you see that? This is actually like a long kind of flowy maxi skirt, and this like fabric is like a faux suede, and I really like the kind of like shade that that's in. I thought that would be great for like little mini dungarees or something like that for my little characters. Yeah, it's just polyester, so a faux suede, really nice fabric, and it's definitely something that I would recommend if you're into like upcycling or making little characters and stuff, just to upcycle your fabric from clothes, because there's so much fabric out there obviously to be used, and it's so much cheaper. So all of these clothing pieces were £1, including that vintage shirt that I bought to actually wear. Next, I picked up this skirt here. It's actually just like a little mini wool skirt, and it's old M&S. I think it's wool anyway, it feels like wool. Let me check the fabric composition. There we go, 25% new wool and then 75% polyester. It feels like a nice like itchy wool that would itch you, kind of like this jumper that I have on. This jumper is actually very itchy. I had to put a top on underneath it, but what can you do? So yeah, I picked up this little mini skirt in there. It's a gorgeous colour, has a great zip in it as well, so I'll reuse the zip as well. But that's the skirt there. And again with these as well, these are like a kind of velvety cord trouser, and these were, I don't know, just a special collection. But the fabric in these is stunning, and these would do well for primitive pieces. I bought a purple pair as well. They're upstairs because I've already cut into them, but yeah, fabric on them, gorgeous. And these would probably make some nice trousers, you know. Not to say that you couldn't wear any of these clothes, but yeah, they was in the outlet store for £1, and I thought that's a great way to upcycle for the fabric. Last, I'll say last but not least, this is like second last thing, picked up 2 tea towels. These were supposed to be 2 for £1, and I got to the till, and then she was like, oh, they look quite vintagey. I think I'm gonna have to charge £1 each in those. And I was like, okay. Just change the price on it, that's fine. But the first one, Somerset. There we go, boo. As a Cornish person, actually no, I quite like Somerset to be honest, but there we go. There it is. Look, just got like a whole map on there. Got family that live pretty much in all of those places. But yeah, gorgeous little tea towel. And then this one here is the one we want to boo. Devon cream tea. Just like the graphics on those. I use old tea towels like this for DIYs and stuff. I suppose you could really use them for anything, but yeah, I don't know, I like the graphics, and like I said, I've been doing a lot of cleaning, a lot of DIYing, and I think this would just be good to just get some dust off. Last but not least though, like I said, the basket. This basket's actually a well good find. Look at the size of this. Huge. £3 this cost me. Look at that. What a quality basket. I have cleaned it. It's been disinfected. I did do a little reel on that as well because I thought why not at the time. And yeah, but £3, what a bargain. Now this was the same place where I bought the tea towels, and I took it to the till, and she was like, oh, £3, that's a bargain. I was like, I know. I said, but it's just because it's so dirty, and it was absolutely caked on. I even found a toy like action figure little head in there, like an old man head, which was quite funny. She was like, oh, if we had cleaned this would be at least £10. I said, yeah, I know. I said, but I'm going to take it home and clean it myself. It's fine. I'm happy to pay the lower price to do it. So I think she was just making up the prices, and I think she tried to swindle me in that one. But £3, absolute bargain. Like I said, it did need a good deep clean. It took me about an hour to clean that all in all, but very happy, and I'm going to put it to use in my house somewhere. I haven't quite decided, maybe my kitchen, maybe understairs. As you can see, like this room is full of baskets. I just love a basket. I'm actually on the hunt for a wicker like bin, like a waste bin for my bedroom, but I haven't come across one of those yet. But I am actually going to go to a car boot soon, my first ever car boot. Like I've never been to one before, but that is a whole nother matter. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this little haul and seeing my face again. I really enjoyed talking to you guys, and I'm actually going to go now and start on that reef. So if you do want to see that, then let me know, because I will be filming it, and if it turns out okay, I will post it. If it comes out a bit boring, then maybe I'll just go on a reel or something. But yeah, thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you very soon for another one.